Embark on an unforgettable adventure aboard a raft on the Drava River. Savor exquisite, specially selected ancient homemade dishes, and raise a toast with fine homemade spirits. Enjoy unique local delicacies and the beloved dessert, Štruklji Cheers, to an experience that tantalizes your taste buds and warms your soul. Indulge in Perger's honey cookies, a treat you'll instantly fall in love with, paired with authentic homemade coffee in the heart of the town. To conclude, we toast with refreshing homemade apple juice surrounded by pristine nature under the 700-year-old Najevska linden tree. Cheers.